My African village life experience in Kanyawa village continues. In this episode, I finally found that husband I've been looking for.
I love you so much.
You love me already.
I love you so much.
But you met me 10 minutes ago. How can you love me? Should I marry him, Judy? No.
Okay, maybe not. I'll give you a house tour of the Kikuyu village family house I'm staying.
This one is called Chimela. This is Alifa.
And then, just before proceeding to the farm, you watch us make some Kenyan tea and guase. Good morning. We have just woken up. We are about to start cleaning the compound, start making breakfast. Last night, I brought in my tuk-tuk. If you remember in the last video, I parked it outside, but at night, we all thought it would be better if it was inside. You want to go and look for sweet potatoes?
Yeah.
Should we go together?
Yeah.
Is the market open by now? This is just 7.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, let's go. I'll follow you.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I was very comfortable. I slept. I slept very well.
Oh, okay.
Good morning. Good morning too. What are we eating this morning? What is the name of the food you want to cook?
Sweet potatoes.
What is the name in Kikuyu?
Guase.
Hey,
Guase.
guase.
Yeah.
Does he want to follow us?
Yeah.
Why do you want to follow us? Why are the dogs following us? Everybody is following us. Capricorn.
Yeah, this,
Oh, the sun?
this one.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, you was son, you are Mokudi.
Oh, okay. Let's keep going.
What is your name?
Ebaide. My name is Ebaide. Say it.
Ah, good.
Say Ebaide.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What's your name?
My name is James.
James. It's
James
nice.
Karanja. Kimani.
James Karanja Kimani.
Yeah.
You are Kikuyu.
You are Kikuyu, you are...
It's nice to meet you.
My mom is past.
Oh, sorry.
My daddy is past.
Oh, sorry.
The hustler.
You are hustler. What do you do?
Drinking. We're drinking. What's that?
What did you say?
Whether you marry her.
Whether I will marry him.
No?
You are thinking whether I will marry you.
You are married?
No, I'm not married.
Yeah?
I'm not.
Reviews.
Do you have money? I like money.
Anataka mtu mwenye akona pe?
Ah, because you have money.
Sio mtu hapa shamba.
Yeah.
He only has shamba.
Hey.
What does he plant in his shamba? What is in his shamba?
10 acres.
Nothing.
10 acres.
10 acres of shamba.
10 acres.
Wow. So which crop is there? What do you plant?
10 acres.
What do you plant? Which crop is in his shamba?
Because it was a good.
On your fire, Nini. You do what? Hustle. Your hustle, is it bringing money? Pesa kubwa.
Yes.
Yes.
How much is it?
Yes.
300.
Okay, let me.
5 is 100.
Okay.
You ready to marry?
Should I marry him, Judy?
No.
They said no. So I can't marry you.
I love you so much.
You love me already.
I love you so much.
But you met me 10 minutes ago. How can you love me?
Carry, you're
Come,
good.
let's go.
You're good.
My husband, let's go.
Let us cook that together. Let us end that. Okay, wait, the dogs are hungry. I'm not going there. Can we go and pass another place? What's happening here? Wow, let's go and pass another place, please. This is very, very bad. Oh, they are done. Thank you, God.
With your husband there. Yeah. In Kenya. Nyumbani wapi? Nyumbani kwa James. Unaenda nyumbani kwa James. Let's go. She wants a photo. He wants a photo.
Yeah, you too. Back here. And I think breakfast is starting now. It's like a whole lot. while the food is cooking, I want to give you a house tour. I want to give you a tour of everything here, how everything is built, how they live here, what village life is here, how rich this lifestyle is. So I'll be doing it with Judy.
Yeah.
Okay.
This one is for called a sitting room.
This is the sitting room.
Yeah, this is a sitting room. This is a mom room.
Is it okay to go in?
It is okay.
It's okay, okay.
This is my mom room. And my mom can sleep here.
Oh, she sleeps here.
Yeah.
Does she sleep alone here?
It is sleep alone.
Oh,
Yeah.
nice. This is mosquito net, right?
Yeah, this is
to
a
cover
mosquito
her.
net.
Nice, nice.
Yes.
Oh, there's a bicycle on top.
Yeah.
Even me, I saw a bicycle on top of my room where I slept last night.
Yeah.
Let's go and check out my room.
This is my room.
Oh, this is your room.
Yeah.
So
this is
basically,
my
I slept
room.
in your room.
Yeah. This is for girl room. For girl room. It called it na Kikuyu Kelele.
Kelele.
Yes.
A
in
girl's
Kikuyu.
room.
Yeah.
Tingila.
Yeah.
Kelele.
Good.
So now we are going to the Tingira.
And this is a bathroom.
Oh, for the Tingira.
Yeah. Villa bathroom.
It is just beside the Tingira. Is anybody inside?
No, there's no.
Oh, okay.
Inside.
This is for the boys.
Yeah, but Kikuyu tribe does not make it a dingira in inch of my mom's house.
Oh, it has to be far from.
Yes.
Why?
When girls it goes outside, it is so risky for. It is so dangerous
for girl child.
Yeah, for girl child because it likely to be stay near the mom. Yeah.
Okay. So that's why the girls' room is usually beside the mom.
Yes.
Then the Tingila is
outside.
Is this all Kikuyu families that build it like that?
Yeah.
It is a Kikuyu tribe thing.
This is a Kikuyu tribe. Made by stone. This one it is stone. It's made one.
Okay.
When I can finish to put it this one stones, I can made by mud. I can make it a mud.
Like you put mud over the stone.
Good.
So that's exactly how you did those houses there.
But in this one, there is no make it a stone. It is mud frame.
Mud throughout.
Mud.
Why did you decide to put stone here?
Because when there is a rain, when I put it a mud, the mud you can fall down.
What of that mud? It has not fallen down.
Because it is so strong. The mud is so strong.
But stone is
right
better.
now it is light. The soil is light right now.
Why is the soil light right now?
Because of farming, it becomes light.
Very light.
Yeah.
Okay.
There is food. This is beans.
Oh.
This is maize, but not ready. This one is potatoes. This one is potatoes.
Sweet potatoes. Irish.
Irish potato.
Irish.
This one is bananas. It's banana. It's so sweet banana. It called sweet
banana.
Yeah. Sukuma. This is a cabbage. This one is called mila. Mila leaves. Yeah, not a it look like a alcoholic.
Mira.
Mila.
Wait, this is Mira.
Mila, yeah.
Jesus, you people have Mira here.
This plant is for Mila.
Oh my God, this is the Mira that we buy very expensive in Meru.
Yeah, good.
Oh, do you chew it?
Yes.
Do you eat it?
Yes.
When will you eat it?
This one.
Wow. This is the popular Mira. But it doesn't taste like the normal Mira.
Yeah.
Oh, this is the river.
Yeah, this is a river. I want to start here.
Hey.
This is a river.
But I can take my bath here, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I can take a shower here.
Yeah.
Very, very nice. So this is the toilet.
Yeah, this is our toilet.
Okay, it's the one I used yesterday.
This one is our toilet or latrine.
Okay.
You can call it latrine because
Latrine.
it's a pit.
Yeah.
Because it's a latrine pit.
Pit latrine.
Not a toilet. Latrine.
All this wood, is it for firewood?
It's for firewood.
Wow. So we go back to continue cooking.
Yes.
Thank you so much for giving us your house tour. Thank you so much, Judy.
Oh,
Let's go
okay.
back to cooking.
Oh, thank you.
It's chai now.
Now it's chai.
Yeah.
Before it was just
Before,
uh-huh.
just water and tea leaves.
Until
But
it's
now, we pour the milk, then we call the mixed Kenyan tea. I haven't put any sugar because I don't know who doesn't who
Want
use
sugar.
Yeah.
Right.
We call it ndufia.
What's ndufia? Sugar.
Tea without sugar.
Ndufia.
Ndufia.
Then tea with sugar. It's what?
It's tea.
Chai.
Yeah, chai.
Nice. So you put sugar in the pot.
Yeah.
We put sugar when we have already put it in the cup.
I'm putting first.
Just a few moments.
How do you know when it is done?
When you do it like this, then the knife gets inside.
You know
it's ready.
Oh, but the knife is not getting inside so freely now.
Yeah.
Good morning. Good morning too.
Mambon. Carry it with your stomach. Mama, but you carry?
Not available here.
We are going to farm right now. We are doing weeding. When you have a full stomach, you can do anything in this life. Are you doing this with us too? How do I know they want to remove?
This is the crop, this is the
I think my hand is faster.
Oh, okay.
It's very slow. So after farming, I released a video on YouTube, but the problem is I mistakenly deleted it. And after I deleted it, I realized I had already deleted it from the editing app and YouTube because I've already started editing the next video and I needed space. So basically the edited video is gone. And I've been on YouTube searching what to do. So they said I should contact support. But the problem is I didn't bring my laptop here to this village because I wasn't sure about the safety, about the security. And I can't contact YouTube support through my phone, through the YouTube studio. So that means I have to leave here, which is too bad. But I mean, my head is not in a good place at all because, you know, days of editing a video and then it just goes like that. So now I have to leave.
asleep in traffic. There's living steady panic. I know 'cause I try acid. Now I see through your habits, just like gadgets. You tell me with